Hi, this is Paris Wells for the Beauty TV Minute on the Beauty Network. Full lips are all the rage these days. How can you get your lips to look fuller without having to get lip injections? You can. Here are some tips for making your lips fuller naturally. Tip 1. Use a toothbrush to get rid of any flakes or excess skin. This will increase circulation and add a nice rosy tint to your lips. Tip number 2. Apply concealer on your lips to start with a fresh canvas. Apply your lipstick over the concealer. Tip number 3. Use a glossy lip shade in the middle of your lips to draw the attention to the thickest part of your lips, the middle. Tip number 4. Overdraw your lip lines. When done properly, this can make your lips look naturally bigger than they are. Tip number 5. After applying your lip color, line your lips with concealer. This will make your lips really pop. Follow these tips and you'll have a sultry lip in no time. This is Paris Wells for the Beauty TV Minute on the Beauty Network.